Hi guys, I'm back again. How are you doing? How is everybody? Thank you for watching me. Thank you for following me. And if you have not followed me, please click on that follow button. Yes, that is the only encouragement you can give me this time around. So today I come with one ogbonge remedy. This remedy is remedy for cough, strong cough. If you're having strong cough and you have taken so many medication and it have not gone, or you have not even taken any medication, immediately you just notice you have strong cough that you'll be always, coughing and it will be very, very strong. Maybe something will not be even coming out and your chest will be paining you. Please, you don't have to go extra mile. Just go to the market and get bitter cola. Get 3 bitter cola. 3 bitter cola. That is what is called bitter cola. 3, just 1, 2, 3. You get that 3 bitter cola, then you buy 2 tom-tom. The regular tom-tom we are eating. The regular tom-tom that we are buying in the market that you used to take always, buy 2 of it. Then you buy 3 bitter cola. Peel the back of that bitter cola. Just sit down, don't be in a hurry. This medication, you understand, this is natural remedy. It will not be sweet for you to take it, but after taking it, you will see the effect. You even testify. So take that 3 bitter cola with 2 tom-tom you have bought. Eat it the same time at a spot. Don't eat it one and wait after. No, 3 of them, finish it. As you are eating the bitter cola, you'll be eating the tom-tom. As you are eating the bitter cola, you are eating the tom-tom together, until you finish all of them together at once. Immediately you finish it, you wait. I'm telling you, within 2 days, you will see the effect. Yes, so that is what I come today with. Please, if what you are doing is you are learning 1 or 2 things, please and please click on that follow button. And if you have any testimony, maybe use what I've taught you, you experiment it, or you have used what I've taught you and you see any effect, please don't hesitate to click on the comment section and give us your testimony. That is it. Have a nice day.